Now we're going to have a look at adding a user. So again, we're going to make sure we're at our home site. Go to Site Actions, Site Settings, and Advanced Permissions. So again, a user is someone who can be given access to your website. We've seen previously that authenticated users are anybody from the board who can log into a computer. But you may want to add in your students to give them different permissions than anybody else from the board. So to do this, you can add users individually. So we're going to do that first. So you go to Add User. And here you start off by near north and backslash. And then if you want to add a teacher, all you have to do is add basically their username. So for example, so this is basically their email address without the @ Near North Schools. And then once you have the name in there, you click on the check names. And if it's correct, and if you haven't made a mistake, you'll see Near North becomes capitalized, and you're correct. Now, if you want to add more than one user at a time, so instead of having to do it over and over and over again, all you have to do is to separate one user from another is add a semicolon and a space. So now we'll add another user, so near north backslash the username, and again verify that it's correct. It is correct, so now we can move on. And here you have the opportunity to give them permission. So right off the bat, you can decide what permission level you want to give them. And you also have an opportunity to send them an email to notify them that they have been added as a user for your site. It will be sent to their board mail, and you have also the option here of adding a personal message. I'll choose to not send it for now. Then you hit OK. And now you'll see Michael McDonough is here. He has full control. Vincent Gagne as well has full control. Now we can look at adding students. So we've seen how to do teachers. Let's look at how to add a student. The process is quite similar. We go to New, Add User. And again, here in the box, it's near north backslash, but now the username is slightly different, and it'll vary from school to school. At Alt Magwin, for example, it's AHS dot, and then the student's username. So again, this is the student email or student login, the username. That's what we put in there. Again, you check the name to make sure it's correct, and we see it's gone to capitalized, and it's correct. And again, now we can choose to give them whatever permission we deem necessary or required. So let's say that she can contribute. And again, you have the option of sending a message or not. You click OK. And now we find that the user here, Erica Hewitt, is the student. She is now a user, and her username is here, and she's able to contribute. Now, you are able to add students as a class, and we'll look at that in our next video.